So good morning. The market just opened and I've got to get defensive on a couple of positions. The market's down. My stocks are both down. You know that I have MicroStrategy and I have Tesla. The first one I'm going to deal with is Tesla. You can see the Teslas, I have the 435 calls and the 425 calls. I sold the 435 calls for $16.98 and now I can buy those back for about $8.70. Okay, that's juice. So I get half back, right? So I would make a 50% return just on that 30 contract position. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and roll that, because right now it's at 422.38 and the strike is at 435. So I'm going to go ahead and roll that down. I'm probably going to go in the money here. And so we're going to create a rolling order, selling that, and it'll buy those back. So what we want to do is we're going to buy those back. Those are the 435s, and we're going to sell. I want to go deep. I want to go like this stock could go to 410, for example. So I'm going to go ahead and sell the 410s, and you could see on the 410s for the same strike price, there's still $8.72 worth of juice. So I give up a little bit of juice by rolling down, but I made some juice by rolling down at the same time. So I'm going to add some juice, I'm going to subtract some juice, and overall, basically, I'm going to go in the money by about $2,000 a contract just to save my bacon here if the thing drops a little bit further. So I'm going to go ahead and do the 410s. I'm going to hit a limit order, turn that into a market order, and I'm going to buy back the January 3rds, and I'm going to sell the January 10ths 410s. Confirm and send, and do it. Okay, so now I'm rolled down on that position. Let's take a look at the monitor. You can see I have none of those 435s left. I still have the 15 contracts of the 425s, which are now out of the money, and then I've got these 410s now, which are deep in the money, or deeper, $15 in the money, and I got $26.90 for those per share. Okay, and of that, about $12.74 is juice. So I'm pretty happy with that depth. Obviously, it would have been nice to be able to keep up with it, but that's the way it goes sometimes. Okay, on the MicroStrategy, what do I want to do? Well, on the MicroStrategy, I've got these 330 calls sold against my 175s. So what I could do is, since I got 13 for them and now they're only trading for about half of that, or just a little over half, they're about 740, I'd be able to pocket about 50% of juice, and I still have 3.5 days left in the week. It's a short week this week. And so I could go ahead and buy those. I'm going to contemplate that for a second here. So one thing I don't want to get sucked into doing is trading this, right? Day trading it and trying to anticipate, because I have no idea if it's going to go down $26 today or if it's going to go back to even today. So I could be getting greedy and jumping the gun, but I'd rather be defensive and jump the gun than to not do anything at all. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to bring those down. The stock is right now to 317. So I'm going to go ahead and bring those down the same strike. Let's take a look at those. Create a rolling order. And now I'm going to sell the same strike there. The 317s are going to be giving me $12.10 in juice, right around what I got on the last ones. But now I've at least got a little bit more juice that I'm picking up in addition to what I've already gotten. So I'm going to go ahead and roll that down to the, you know what, I might look at these. So let's look at these. If we go out to the, right now it's at 317. What if we got to the 317? What if we got to the 315s for the week after that? I pick up $19 in juice. That's what I'm going to do. That's what I'm going to do. So we're going to go to the 315s for January 10th. And I'm going to go ahead and hit a market order. And let's see. Yeah, that's right. All right. So let's check and make sure that's right. So now I have none of the 330s. I have 7 of the 315s against 8 of the 175 calls. And so I'm going to leave one contract open just as an asymmetric trade, just for the bounce. And if not, I'm still collecting, it looks to be about $14,000 worth of juice now going out for the next week. So a little bit of adjustments, a little bit of playing defense. This is part of the game, and that's the way it goes. And you can see that Tesla is now back up to the 425s. And so these are right at the money. I'm not going to do anything with those at the present moment. So I hope that helps you kind of think about how to play a little defense when the stocks are moving down. Hey, it's Mark Yagi, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do that right now. That would be a great favor to me, and plus it helps me get this material out to a lot of other people that might need it. I've got a little bit of a movement going on here, and I want to try to change the world one person at a time, showing them that you can make safe, reliable income from the stock market. And plus it helps to grow the channel a little bit. Also, if you would give me a thumbs up on the video and like it, great. If you don't like it, give me a thumbs down, that's cool. But just tell me why you don't like it so I can get better. And then hit the notification bell so you can get these videos as soon as they come out, because a lot of times this is timely information and you want to get that information before it gets stale. The last thing is to join my free Insider Tips newsletter. There's a link below and you get everything in one spot. You get breaking news and analysis also. So that would be great if you could do that too. See you soon.